Welcome back to another episode, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to share a trade I took on Euro USD. First I took a loss while buying, then I took a sell for approximately 6 hours. So let me show you the first loss that I took. So this was my entry that I took a loss on. Reason why I entered here was, you can see that this was the last push down that took out the liquidity of these lows. I was expecting price to go a little bit higher before coming down. Let me show you on 15-minute time frame. This was the last unmitigated up candle, but it did not came up all the way. So I hedged my position and I took a sell right over here. This was a risky entry with less confluences, and I risked half of what I usually risk on my trades. Even though my bias was bullish for today and I was expecting price to move up later in the New York session, and it did went up later, but I did not take any entries as I was done for the day with this trade. You can see on 15-minute time frame that the liquidity is above these highs. So this was a quick 6-hour trade during the London session. Let me show you a potential buy entry that I would have taken during the New York session. So as you can see, during New York session, the price is internally taking liquidity to the downside. So this becomes a strong low. Look closely, the price took out this low but did not break below this low. I would have entered at least this imbalance and target at least these highs. So this would have been approximately 13-hour trade, but I did not take this trade, and it's okay to miss some trades. If you're done for the day, you can just leave the markets and go on with your day. So this was my trade on Wednesday. I will see you guys in the next one.